Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Voice Cache Pro review. This is a Clickbank product. You might have found it in your inbox and wondered, is this product legitimate or not? I'm going to give you a walkthrough here in just a minute. But if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to have multiple streams of income, how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the review. Again, it's the Voice Cache Pro review. It's pretty new Clickbank product. I think it came out last month in November. The creator is Monica White. The cost is $37. There's an upsell for $47, Voice Profits Insider, and then a downsell for $27. An upsell for $97, Get Out of Debt Club. This is a product to teach you how to become a voiceover actor. Okay, so let me show you what is in the product. The first thing that you come to here is going to be a VIP masterclass. I'm not sure that that has anything to do with being a voiceover artist, but it is something that they're going to show you how to make money online. I'm thinking this is probably another Clickbank product membership method, because you can see Clickbank down here. So I'm not really sure what that is. But then we get to the members area here. And the first part of it, they're PDFs, and they're not very long. Let's see, day 1 to 10, you're going to go through important tips before you start voiceover. So basically just an introduction to being a voiceover artist. This is not very long. I think it's like 4 pages long actually. And then the next one here is tools that you need to get started. So just basically some of the microphones and different things that you would need to get started, your microphone stand and things like that, the different ones that they recommend that are good for you to use. So that's the second one. Let's see, day 11 to 20, the best social media voiceover gigs. So they're going to go through LinkedIn, how to find potential clients on YouTube, everything gutter, how to reach out to YouTubers using Google, how to introduce yourself on Twitter, how to search on Twitter for people who are looking for voiceover artists. Okay, so that's that PDF. And then we've got the best websites for voiceover gigs. I know one of these has got to be Fiverr. Yes, they have a lot of voiceover gigs on Fiverr. So this is basically showing you where the websites are that you can get voiceover gigs. Day 21 to 30, tips to negotiate the highest voiceover rate. That's another PDF. And then this one here, the art and science of getting high-paying clients. I think that was like 9 minutes long, this MP3. But this one here is actually really long. It's exclusive strategies to get $500 per hour, and it's a podcast. And it's Earl Hall Studio Audio Experience, the leading edge of voiceover. So there's a lot of different podcasts in here. Let's see, this one's 40 minutes long, this one's 33, 37. So all of these are pretty much all of them are pretty lengthy podcasts that you're going to learn all about being a voiceover artist, should you produce your own demo. Okay, so that all looks good. Then the software, tips for improving your voiceover and grab that high-paying gig. Audacity, and then they do have support right here. This down here, get paid to test apps. App Coiner, I did a review on that. That is not something I would recommend, so don't click on that. That's basically all that's in the the basic one that I got, the $37 one. So I would say that the pros are that it's low cost. You know, there's a money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can get your money back because it's a Clickbank product within 60 days. It is actually a legitimate job to be a voiceover artist, and it can be a high-paying career. And then it said that there's new resources added monthly, so I think that's good. They kind of have ongoing training there. I would say the cons is that you may not make the kind of money that they claim right away, because on the sales video they have all kinds of claims. I think she said she made her very first gig like $450 in 1 hour. I'm not sure that you can do that right off the bat if you're just brand new to being a voiceover artist. I'm not sure how hard it is to get clients. If you go to Fiverr and search like voiceover female, you'll see that there's 3,034 gigs here. So I'm not sure, you know, how hard it is to get clients. But you can see some of these are, you know, $5. It depends on how many words you read. But some of these, you know, you can get paid pretty well. But again, I'm not sure how hard it is to get clients. The other con is that there's no leverage or residual income. It's basically like a job that you trade your time for money. And I'm not sure if the testimonials are real. I don't really put a lot of weight on the testimonials in these Clickbank products because a lot of them had paid actors in them to help sell the product. So I'm not sure if you know, you get really excited because you see how much money people are making, but I don't know that that's real. But it's possible to make some good money being a voiceover artist. So I'm not saying that you can't, but I'm just saying, like, you get all excited watching the sales video and you think that you're going to make that kind of money. Like the actual email that I got, it said Matt made over $150,000 by speaking English on his mobile phone. Jessica Ross made over $9,800 in just 5 hours of talking. So it's possible. That may be like down the road when you get really good at this. So that's my review of the Voice Cash Pro. I do think it's a good product. I mean, you can learn how to be a voiceover artist. Again, I don't know if you can make the kind of money that they say, but I think it's a good overview for the price. It's $37. There is no leverage in it. And that, to me, is the way that you can get ahead, is by having ways that you can leverage yourself, that you're not actually going to a job. Because if you go to a job, there's only so much money that you can make. If you learn how to have residual income and multiple streams of income, that's when you can really start to get ahead. Like the other night, I was putting up the Christmas tree and I made like $500. I wasn't doing anything. Of course, I put that marketing material out a while ago, but it continues to work for me over and over and over again, and I'm not actually there. So that's the thing that I really like about online marketing. But again, voiceover acting is a good career, maybe something you want to look into. If you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, where you can make multiple streams of income, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.